everybody is creating video right now. We're all stuck at home, and video seems like the only way to communicate to customers, employees, and to talk about what it is that you do. But I've got to say, the quality bar is pretty low. So if you want your video to stand out from the crowd in the next few weeks, then follow my top tips to ensure that your next video will be excellent. Now, in this video, I'm assuming that you are just filming using one of these. Tip number 1, find a quiet place. Sound is so important when it comes to video. The audience will forgive quite a lot of things, but they will not forgive sound quality. So if you're in a noisy place, if there's a ticking that the audience can hear, anything like that will just put them off and they'll just stop watching. So find a nice, quiet place to film in. Even better, get yourself a microphone. There are loads of options on Amazon and they're pretty cheap too. Tip number 2, always make sure you film horizontally and not vertically. If you film your video vertically, then you're going to end up with those horrible black lines either side. You want to film it horizontally. Number 3, composition. What do I mean by composition? I basically mean framing of the video. So if you're just talking to the audience, then position yourself in the center. But think about the space around you. So don't leave too much headroom. That's wasted space. Get nice and close so your face is very clear and central. However, if you have something you want to show, a book, for instance, then maybe place yourself to the side so you've got plenty of room to show it. Also, when it comes to composition, you need to think about where the camera is positioned. Please don't position it low down, because all anyone will then see is the inside of your nostril. You need to raise it so it's in your direct eye line. And again, look on Amazon because there are some great tripods, grip-ons, different things that you can use with your phone. And finally, when it comes to composition, please think about your background. All too often, I'm seeing videos where all I'm thinking is, what the is that behind them? All this mess and clutter going on in the background. You may think that it looks artistic, but it's actually just really confusing, and the audience will spend most of their time zooming in, trying to see what you've got on your bookshelf. Keep it nice and neat. If you want, invest in a background, a bit like the one that I'm using now, which is just a simple black background. But again, on Amazon, there's lots of different backgrounds you use. But my advice would be keep it simple. Number 4, light. Light is so important. Now, I'm filming this video and I've got a light directly shining at my face, and it makes all the difference. But what you can use is just natural light, but you need to make sure that that natural light is in front of you and not behind you. If you film a video with the light behind you, you will end up just looking like a silhouette. It will put you in complete darkness. And number 5, think about what you are wearing. Now, there is a temptation, because we're all working from home, to just stay in your pajamas all day. But when it comes to talking on camera, you want to be as authentic as you possibly can be. Because if you're not, your audience will see right through it. So dress in a way that is comfortable to you, that allows you to be more authentic on camera, but not your pajamas authentic or your dressing gown authentic. You're talking to an audience here. You want to still be respectable. So those are my top tips that will ensure that your next video will be the best video that you've put out there yet. Thanks for watching that video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, here's a link to some more. Please do subscribe because I'll be uploading videos weekly.